Hi viewers, welcome to my world of drawing. I am Wafi. Drawing is not my profession, it is actually my creativity. And this creativity of mine is made up of my small hobbies. When I was studying in nursery class, I participated in the first drawing competition of my life and fortunately won the first prize. That day, perhaps, the direction of my creativity took a turn. I was very inspired and my attraction towards drawing increased very quickly. Then I continued my practice and come to the stage where you see me today. However, my current stage is not the end. I think this is my starting stage, and if you all are with me, I will definitely be able to reach a higher level. I hope that you will support and inspire me to all the time in the journey of mine. And for this, I expect subscription from you, and you will definitely like and comment on my videos. May you be healthy and well. Thank you.